contigo. Trago contigo. Trago contigo.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Jennyfer Ross, back at it again with yet another video. In today's video, I have a get ready with me for you guys. This is not any other get ready with me though. Today, Benny told me like, hey girl, we are going out and I need you to get ready real quick. But your girl still had some chores to do. Your girl had to wash her hair. I had so much stuff that I needed to do because I just didn't want to do all of that when we got back home. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you how I got ready. This is also a get ready with me for when it's hot, because the temperatures here in Belgium are crazy right now. It just feels like Satan's butt crack. It's just hot and I can't be bothered with a full face of glam, even though it still looks like a full face, but I promise you it is not. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So we are gonna start off in the bathroom because, like I told you, I started off with very crusty hair this day and it needed to get fixed, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and head into the bathroom. So the first thing I'm gonna start off by doing is my hair. I'm gonna put in some deep conditioner, but first I'm gonna apply some water into my hair. Deep condition my hair, I'm gonna use my Crisp pillow and also some of my amla oil. I'm just gonna apply a generous amount of this into my hair. I'm gonna go over that with the amla oil. I promised you guys an update on this and this is how far I am. It's almost finished and I definitely notice a difference in my hair with this. So yeah, let's just apply this on top. But I think I can get 2 or 3 more uses out of it and then it will be finished. And I think I'm gonna buy another bottle, you guys, because it works, you know? It really works. Stinks, but it works. And then next I'm just gonna apply my shower cap and let this work its way into my hair for the next 45 minutes. While this product works its way into my hair, I am going to do some skincare because why not? Let's get that skin glowing, you know. For that, I'm gonna first clean my skin. And for that, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Skin Expert Purifying Gel with Clay. So I'm gonna use this. And I'm gonna use the Duval brush. This is a spin brush. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put some water on the brush first. Apply some of my products onto the brush. And then start wet my face a little bit.
Like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, way oh, oh.
And that's just rinse this off.
Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride?
And next gonna apply the Charcoal Black Sugar Mud Mask. This is from Freeman. It has no parabens or anything in it. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my face while my hair is still, you know, in the deep conditioner. This just saves up so much time because we're working on the skin and the hair at the same time. And now I officially look like a serial killer. So once back in the shower, the first thing that I'm doing is washing off the mask because that thing has been drying my skin, and you are not supposed to leave it on for way too long. I think it's just for 20 minutes that you're supposed to do it, but it was on my face longer. So yeah, the first thing that we need to do is wash that off. Okay girl, wash that off. And then next we're gonna move on to the hair. I am just first starting off by rinsing my hair, getting all the deep conditioner and the oil from the amla oil out, because that stuff, let me tell you, it stinks girl, it stinks. So we need to get rid of that real quick, rapido, like right now. And for that I used the Afro-G shampoo for damaged hair. The bottle is like really crusty. I'm on this journey girl where I try to finish up as much products as possible, and this was in my cabinet. My hair is still a little damaged. I don't know exactly why. Maybe I just don't always take good care of it consistently, you know. I do take good care of it, but I'm not always consistent, so that can damage your hair a little bit. And for my conditioner I'm using the Naughty Wave Hello. This is their curl defining conditioner and I absolutely love this stuff. It's very affordable actually. So yeah, this is just a new conditioner that I've been using, and yeah, I just love it so far. And then for my body, I use the Dove Silk Body Wash, and this stuff is bomb. It smells really good, but also with that it varies, you know. Sometimes I have something else on hand and I basically just use whatever it is that I have on hand, wash my body with that, smell real good, scrub it up, like shave, do everything that I need to do that you know, for obvious reasons I'm not gonna show in this video. But yeah, I did all of that, shave, you know, did all the stuff that needed to be done. I just rinsed out my hair and left the shower. Then next it's just time for makeup, and as I told you guys before, we're gonna keep this really simple, but I'm gonna share with you guys all the products that I used. The first thing that I used is this Hydra Balm Day Cream. This is super nourishing to the skin, but I do have some oily skin. It doesn't like make my skin more oily. Then I used the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer. A friend of mine, Denora, she came from the Caribbean and she brought me the whole collection of the L'Oreal Infallible Matte situation, and I used all of that today. So Denora, thank you so much. If you're watching this, I love you girl. But yeah, this is what I used for the for my primer, and I just applied this in the T-zone with my hands, and it just makes the pores look smaller. It's just, I don't know, it just absorbs everything that you're gonna put on top so much better. So yeah, this is definitely something that will stay in my collection. Most of the time when I'm in a hurry, I just skip the whole foundation and all of that. So I just go in with my favorite concealers. I love Cool Tan for like some spot correcting. If I have some dark spots, I'll correct it with this one. And for my T-zone and under my eyes, I like to use the Pure Beige one. And this is life, you guys. I just love these two. Even when I wear foundation, I just use these two. It's amazing. So this is forever, ever my favorite. It's my face powder. I like to use the L'Oreal Infallible. I just go over my face with this, with just a big brush, face brush, and it's just, it's bomb, you know? Everywhere where it's lighter or where the concealer didn't blend correctly, this will come in super handy. So Love this. When we're in a hurry, you guys, anybody got time to be playing bakery? We don't got time to set, bake, and I don't know what. So I like to go in with the Kiko Gold Weaves foundation powder for under my eyes to just set that whole concealer and also to lighten that up a little bit. It's just this beautiful compact powder. Hope you guys can see that. So then for eyebrows, you guys, I like to use my roller lash mascara. I know this sounds really crazy, but I just brush up my eyebrows with this, making them look really, you know, fleeky, natural, or whatever. And then for the tail, I just use my Freedom eyebrow pomade. It's just a regular brown eyebrow pomade. And recently I've been through all my pictures and I just saw that like I can draw on a very crazy brow when I'm in a hurry, so I figured I needed to do something about that, and I noticed that this really works for me. So yeah, just some mascara and pomade on the ends, just, you know, to finish up that brow and give it the illusion as if it's really, you know, an all fleeky brow, but in the meantime it's really not. Then for the eyes, you know, when we're in a hurry, I just take some concealer, just the concealer that I used before, apply that as a little primer, set that with a little bit of powder, and then I go in with my favorite eyeshadow palette. For my favorite eyeshadow palette, you guys, when I'm in a hurry, I'm not trying to do like all crazy eye looks. No, we cannot risk that. Nobody got time for that. If that goes wrong, then it takes more time, and that's what we're not trying to do. So my favorite eyeshadow palette, and the one that works all the time, is the Naked Heat palette. And mostly when I'm in a hurry, I just take the color He Devil and the color Cayenne. And the color He Devil, I just apply that in my crease, and then the color Cayenne, I just apply that all over my eyelids, and I call it a day. For my mascara, because listen girl, when we're in a hurry, ain't nobody got time to be putting on no fake lashes. It's just throw on some mascara and get going. And since your girl doesn't have much, this mascara has been helping me so much. It's the Maybeline Total Temptation mascara. I bought this because I run out of my other mascara that I like. That's the Better Than Sex mascara. But this one, you guys, it has been getting the job done for me. I love it. I'm obsessed with it, and I will definitely buy this again. And especially for when it's hot, ain't nobody got time. This is real fast, real quick, real pretty, and real affordable. So yeah, probably doesn't come as a surprise because ever since I got this, I'm not using anything else. So for my highlighter, for my highlighter, I like the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I am in the shade Mean Money and Hustla, baby. And I just don't know what it is. I love this. It's everything to me. So I've been using it non-stop, and I really need to get a new one. So the next trip, when we go somewhere where there is a Sephora, your girl is definitely gonna stack up on more of these because I've been obsessed and I don't want to use anything else. For blush, the Wycon blush in the shade Apricot has been my favorite. It's nothing too crazy. It's just a very subtle peachy apricot type of color, and I've been obsessed with it. It works for me all the time and just perfect for everyday use. Bronzer, because we gotta, you know, you just gotta do a little bit of bronzer, you know. I like to use a kabuki brush together with this NYX matte bronzer. I am in the shade Deep Tan, and this is just a simple matte bronzer. It works for me. As you can see, I hit pan, so I need to get a new one, but I love this and it's been working for every day. For the lippies, I have been obsessed with these two lippies by Primark. These are super affordable. They are €2 each, so girl, go get you some. I like to start off with the dark one first. That is the color In the Buff, and then I go over that with the color Tickle, and they are just super pretty. They are like nude type of colors, like, but a pretty, you know, mauvey nude and a pinkish nude. and mixed together, I think it's just the perfect lip combo for moi. Then, when the face is done, it's time to do the hair. I know I already washed my hair, and mostly I only do buns when my hair is dirty, but listen, if we're in a hurry, a bun will be done real quick. So I just go in with some of my Not Having It leave-in conditioner by Aunt Jackie. I apply this all over my hair just to make sure that my hair has, you know, something in it that is moisturizing it a little bit and also getting the tangles out a little bit. And then for my gel and to style my hair, I like to use the Argan Oil styling gel. This is a bomb, you guys. I also like the Eco Styler gel, but I run out of that, so currently I have this one and it works wonders for my hair. It's just doing what a gel is supposed to do. I like to slick up the edges, like, you know, just make it a regular bun, and then makeup and hair is done. And for my outfit, you guys, I am wearing this very cute little bathing suit. This is from Primark. It was only €5. It's super cute. This summer I haven't been swimming yet, so I'm just wearing it as a bodysuit with this cute little shorts, also from Primark. These were €13, and just for when it gets a little fresh, you know, I like to throw on my white blazer, which is really putting the whole outfit, you know, pulling the whole outfit together, and I'm obsessed with that look. You know, it's very sleek, very simple. For shoes, I'm just wearing some slides or some Vans, and that is basically the look. So that was my get ready with me real quick, confusing type of video, you know, trying to get your life together real quick video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Follow me on Instagram because I've been very active lately. This is what my feed looks like. And yes, I hope to see you guys next time. Love ya. Mwah. Bye.